A few days ago, we gave a video where we talked about the breakout strategy, and today we will talk about the pullback strategy. Pullback strategy is a very popular topic in Forex. By breakout, we mean when the market crosses the trend line or support and resistance. We call it a breakout because the market has crossed that line. But when the market can't cross the line and turn again, that means it changed its trend. This called pullback. So this is a very important strategy. You can follow it, but you have to watch the video carefully and learn fast. So today we will discuss first how to follow and analyze it. Secondly, how to get the highest profit from here. And the last one is how to set up SL and TP. So stay with us. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. Surely by now you have understood what a pullback is. We usually trade a lot of time with support and resistance. Especially through this you can follow the pullback strategy. The most suitable are support, resistance, trend and candlestick pattern to follow the pullback strategy. Today we will present this video with the combination of these. Many of you have idea about support and resistance because there have video on this topic before. I hope you know about it a lot. So how to follow pullback strategy through support and resistance. So let's take a look at an example. You can see that the market has come to this place many times and is going back again. At first the market came back up to this point and then the market went down a bit. And then it came up again, but after reaching that previous point it could not go up and then it went back again. In other words, market can't break the previous back point. In other words, market can't break the previous back point. So if we could see the back point of the first and take entry in the second point, then of course we could make profit from here. Then you can see in the same way below that the market has came down, crossed the level, then go up here and came back to this level and then go up again. So we can see how effectively support and resistance work here. Next to it there is another one. You can see from where the market has pulled back. So we can make a profit even if we took entry from this point. Then if we look at the same example from the trend line, we can see that the market situation. Then the market went down by making a back point. Then it came up again and pulled back from here. So if we set up a trend line in these two places, then we get an entry zone from here. How? After setting the trend line with 2 points, we can see that the market has turned around and pushed down the trend line. Then we can take entry from here as well. That is following the trend line. This is exactly how you can analyze. This is how you follow the pullback strategy. We have put a video on breakout strategy where we show you how to follow it. Breakout means breaking the trend line or support and resistance that we set up, you can see. But in this case, market can't break the line. The market comes to this level and goes back. So you have to understand when there will be a pullback and when there will be a breakout. Maybe you ask how we know when to pull back or when to break out. There are some patterns to understand when it will be a breakout, such as rectangle pattern, triangle pattern, wedge pattern, flag pattern, etc. We have already highlighted all these details of how to follow these. So you can watch that video. After looking at this, you can understand for yourself when the market will break out or pull back. When you find a pattern in the market, then wait for the breakout. And if you don't find any pattern, then you can wait for the pullback. But everything will depend on the market and on the analysis. If you look at the pullback candle, then you have to understand that the market will pull back. So let's take a look at the candlestick pattern. As you can see in this place, we have drawn a horizontal line with some resistance level. The market then went up from here and came back again. Now this line is working here as a support level. The market has reached this support level. Now we have to analyze whether the market will break or can't break it. That is why we will see if there is any rejection candle. Here we see a hammer rejection candle made and then a large green candle. The reason here is that the seller in the market have pushed a lot to break the support level to go down, but then the buyer have created strong pressure to go up the market. So there we see a hammer candle, then a big bearish candle. So from here we are getting buy signal. So let's see what happened. We can see that the market has gone up and many pips gone up. Then here in this market we will set up trend line by looking at the rejection point of the market. Now we will analyze whether the market will break or anything. If we look at candle, we can see that the bullish engulfing candle has been made here, so we can take buy order from here. First we got the trend line, then we got a bullish engulfing candle, so we can take entry from here if we want. So let's see what happened. We see the market raise to the top, then you can follow this in this way. Follow exactly we say. So now let's talk how to set up SL and TP. Before that, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. If you want to see more video like this, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Then how to set up SL and TP. Set up SL and TP that way you draw the trend line by looking at the back point. Back point is suitable for setup SL and TP. It will be closest to the entry point and this is a back point, so we can set up SL in it. After setting SL, you can set up TP by following 1:3 profit ratio. That means if your SL is 10 pips, then you have to set up your TP 30 pips. It will bring you in profit and it can recover your 3 loss. So follow exactly the way we present here. And the last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.